In this video, we'll graph the inverse of a function given the graph of the function. We have this square root function that's given that goes through the points -2, 0, -1, -1, and 2, -2. And also on my graph is a dotted line that represents the graph of y is equal to x. A function and its inverse are related because the x and y coordinates are interchanged. To draw the graph of the inverse, if you know the function, you're going to interchange the ordered pairs. The ordered pair -2, 0 on the inverse function would be 0, -2. The ordered pair -1, -1, when we interchange that, actually stays -1, -1. So that stays on the graph of our inverse. 2, -2 interchanged becomes -2, 2. And so now we can draw the graph of the inverse that looks like a half parabola that goes through -2, 2, -1, 1, and 0, -2. We're also asked to find the domain and range of each function. So the domain of the function, which I'll indicate with d sub f, is what from left to right it starts at -2 and goes to the right, so that would be -2 to infinity. And the range of that function, so I'll denote that with r sub f, starts from the bottom and goes up to this point -2, 0, which has a y value of 0. So from bottom up, it's -infinity to 0 with a bracket. Now the domain and range of the inverse will be interchanged, but we can confirm that graphically. The domain of f inverse, notice from left to right, the graph starts from the left and it goes to this point 0, -2, which is an x value of 0, so it is from -infinity to 0 with a bracket. And the range of f inverse, from bottom up, it starts at the y value of -2 and goes on up, so it is bracket -2 to infinity, which is exactly the domain and range of our original function interchanged.